Hello students, welcome you all. Now from today we are going to start next chapter, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes from class 12. They are also called as the halogen derivative of alkanes and arenes. Why they are called as the halogen derivative? Because they are derived from alkane and arenes. So how they are derived from alkanes and arenes? By replacing one or more hydrogens by halogens. So the organic compounds which can be obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen by halogens are called as a halogen derivative of alkane or haloalkane and haloarenes. So example देखते हैं अभी हम, जैसे कि CH3Cl, तो ये हो गया methyl chloride. So this is a haloalkane. In haloalkane, the halogen is attached to the carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. Whereas in haloarenes, अगर हम arenes की बात करते हैं, तो in haloarenes, the halogen is attached to the carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. Okay, clear? Now, next example. Suppose if we carry out the chlorination of methane, so we get a mixture of product, that is CH3Cl, methyl chloride, CH2Cl2, methylene dichloride, then CHCl3, that is chloroform, and CCl4. It is a carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so all these compounds are called as a halogen derivative of alkane or haloalkanes. Okay, so they are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen by halogens. Now, अगर हम बात करते हैं एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड की, सपोज हमने बेंजीन लिया है और उसका हमने क्या किया, क्लोरीनेशन. So we get a product that is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. So this is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So this is haloarenes. Okay. Now there are several organic compounds containing halogens, but some of the compounds are clinically important and useful. Many compounds which contain halogens are used as a solvent in industry, or they can also be used as a starting material for the preparation of many organic compounds. Now let us take an example. अगर हम बात करते हैं क्लोराम्फेनिकॉल, so chloramphenicol, it is synthesized by, or it is prepared by soil microorganism. And it is used in a treatment of typhoid fever. Okay. So chloramphenicol is a chlorine containing haloalkanes and it is used in a treatment of typhoid fever. अगर हम बात करते हैं सेकंड एग्जांपल यहाँ पे थायरोक्सिन. Thyroxine is prepared in our body, so it is secreted in our body. It is one of the hormone which contain iodine. Okay, अगर हमें बॉडी में इसकी डिफिशियंसी आती है, अगर इसकी डिफिशियंसी आती है तो इससे हमें वाइटर डिसीज जो है वो हो सकता है. So again this is important for us. Now next अगर हम बात करते हैं that is chloroquine. So this is synthetically prepared haloalkane or we can say halogen containing compound. It is used in a treatment of malaria. Okay, so these haloalkanes or haloarenes are very important for industry point of view as well as in our day-to-day life. Now thalothane. Thalothane is used as a anesthetic during surgery. So haloalkanes and haloarenes are very important for us. Now we will discuss the classification of these haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. First, they are classified as monohalogen derivative. Second, dihalogen derivative. And polyhalogen derivative. So what are monohalogen derivative? In which one hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Example हम इसका लिख सकते हैं CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride. Okay, so dihalogen derivative in which two halogens are replaced the hydrogens, two hydrogens. So example is CH2Cl2. So here methylene dichloride. Polyhalogen, so more than two hydrogen replaced by halogens. Its example is CHCl3, that is chloroform, and CCl4. Now the monohalogen derivative are further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary halogen derivative. So what is primary halogen derivative? In which the halogen is attached to the primary carbon. So this is a primary carbon. What is primary carbon? The carbon which attached to one other carbon. So this is primary halogen derivative. In secondary halogen derivative, the halogen is attached to the carbon which is secondary. So this carbon is secondary because it attached to the two other carbon. And in tertiary, the carbon to which hydrogen attached is attached to the other three carbon. That means it is tertiary carbon. So monohalogen derivatives are classified as further primary, secondary and tertiary. अगर हम डायहालोजन डेरिवेटिव की बात करते हैं, so this is further classified as geminal dihalides and vicinal dihalides. तो इसके ऊपर कई बार क्वेश्चन आया है जेमिनल एंड विसिनल डायहालाइड्स के ऊपर. सो व्हाट आर जेमिनल डायहालाइड्स? सो लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल, दैट इज CH3 CH and Cl and Cl. So here both the halogens, both the chlorines are attached to one carbon. In such a case, thus the dihalogen is called as a geminal dihalides. If both the halogens are attached to one carbon, then it is called as a geminal dihalides. So this is 1,1 dichloroethane. What is the name of compound? 1,1-dichloroethane. In vicinal dihalides, the halogens are attached to the adjacent carbon atom. So here they are attached on one carbon. Here the halogens are attached to the adjacent carbon. So here name of this compound is 1,2 dichloroethane. Okay, so this is a classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes, that is halogen derivative, monohalogen derivative, dihalogen derivative and polyhalogen derivative, which is further classified as mono, primary, secondary and tertiary, depends on the carbon to which the halogen is attached, and dihalogen derivative is further classified as geminal and vicinal. So in geminal both the halogens are attached to one carbon, and in vicinal both the chlorines or both the halogens are attached to the adjacent carbon. So this is all about classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So if you like it, then share my videos and subscribe my channel. So thank you.